Oh yeah, pulling in. Good old Fox Raceway, baby. Here we are. What is happening, guys? We got a little treat for ourselves and you. We ended up someplace pretty special. It's November 22nd. We were supposed to head up to Washington for a little Thanksgiving action, but with COVID-19, everything is pretty much shut down there. So instead, we decided to take a trip south, chase some sunshine, and we ended up at the infamous Fox Raceway in Pala, California. I mean, why not? Never been out here. This is our first time. So we got the KX100. We got the infamous Chevy Trucks Kawasaki KX250, but we are out here enjoying the sunshine. It's 76 degrees, little overcast clouds, but other than that, I'll let you guys know how it goes. That's a cool little jump coming down the hill. Alright guys, don't mind me, as I eat a Cliff Bar here. Just got off another session on the track, and let me tell you, holy crap. At sea level, this thing is unreal. Like, I thought it was crazy at 4,300 feet of elevation up in Salt Lake, but my gosh, the freaking proven moto V-Force Electron combo. I literally gave it the gas in a rut with this Electron, and it instantly hooked up. I wheelied all the way around the rut. I don't even know how I did it. Like, I'm not even that good of a rider, and I freaking wheelied all the way around the rut because the front end just came right up. Not a good situation, but like, the thing is like instant power. As soon as you crack the throttle, like, it's just on. It's such a beast. So I completely love this thing. If anybody wants to come try it, let me know. All right, guys, we're just finishing up here at Apollo Raceway, or the frick it's called, Fox Raceway. I sit in front of this sweet bike. But yeah, man, this track was super fun. It was probably one of the best vet tracks I've ever ridden. The track had really good flow, and all the jumps were safe. Like, I was able to learn them first time out, like, no problem. And there's no like have-tos where, like, if you don't clear the jump, you're gonna freaking die. So kudos to Fox Raceway for making it super safe for everyone. I mean, this track was packed earlier in the day. We probably didn't get here until about noon or so, but it was kind of dying down a little bit by the time we went out. And I just went out for my final session. It's 3:10, place closes at 4, and like, there's no one out in the track. I was literally the only one out there, pretty much feeling it, throwing a little couple butt whips out there. So if you guys like those, but dang, the Kawasaki was freaking ripping out there. I had so much fun on it. I really hope that we're gonna be here for the rest of the week, so hopefully we can come back out, or maybe try another track like Kuya Creek, or maybe hit one of these nighttime tracks that are open during the night under the lights. So that should be super fun. But I'm gonna head over to the Fox shop, maybe pick up a helmet or so, because that old Bell helmet, that old Husky Bell helmet is definitely time to go. So Sam's got a all black matte Fox helmet, so I'm gonna see if I can pick up the same one myself. But until then, oh, I forgot. Cruising around the track, there was another Chevy Trucks Kawasaki, probably like a 2001, 2000 range. Jaden was super cool. Cody, as well as Lucas. Also met Daniel. He's building a 2006 KX250. So SD_Nelson, follow him as well. He's pretty cool. And can't wait to follow his build as well. But until then, super nice day at Fox Raceway. I'm gonna wrap this thing up, pack it up, and get the heck out of here. Peace.